This is a Chicago blizzard. Today is February 1st, 2011. As you can see, the weather here is pretty bad right now. This whole blizzard started about 2 hours ago, and which means it's just the beginning of it. You can see that the wind is pretty bad outside right now. The city is gonna get completely snow covered, and we'll see how much worse it's gonna get by tomorrow. So as you can see, this is the city right now. Hopefully the video is gonna be able to catch the speed of the wind. Let's look at the other side towards Michigan Avenue. Let's go there. You can see that's the whiteout. You can barely see the Trump Tower right there. It's the embassy building. So there are cars out there. They're still able to drive. That's the Hilton Hotel. So the wind, the river is not frozen. The lake's partially frozen right now. And this is Chicago. So you'll see how bad it looks right now due to this massive blizzard that's attacking the city right now. All right. Okay, well, this is it. Let's see how much worse it's gonna look like later.